This is the 2-pack of argan oil. They come in this box right here and wrapped in plastic. So it's very safe, hygienic. And on the back you have features, ingredients, directions, in case you don't know how to use shampoo. So I love the size. I was expecting them to be much smaller, just because usually when you buy this kind of product online, you see them really big in the pictures and then you end up with a little jar like this. But the sizes are really, really great. The conditioner, shampoo, really excited to try them out. You have right here ingredients, features, everything like in the box. Right there, bottom. Let's see what they smell like. And what they look like. This one is, I said, shampoo. Okay, so it pretty much looks like lotion, just white shampoo. There you have it. See the smell? It smells really, really nice. Really pleasant smell. I don't know how to describe it, but it's really pleasant. Let's check out the conditioner. Oh, this is tight. There. Conditioner. It looks the same. And let's smell it. They smell very similarly. And they look very similarly. So I'm gonna try them in a shower, and then I'm gonna write in the reviews how it worked out. I'm very, very happy so far.